Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 French expressions commonly used in English conversation. Number 1, c'est la vie. It means that's life. It's used when something is disappointing, but you can't change it. Example, we missed the train. C'est la vie. Number 2, bon appétit. It means enjoy your meal. Example, bon appétit, everyone. Number 3, bon voyage. It means to have a good trip. Example, you're going to Paris? Bon voyage. Number 4, rendezvous. It means a planned meeting, often romantic. Example, we have a rendezvous at the cafe at 7. Number 5, en route. It means on the way. Example, we're en route to the airport. Number 6, à la carte. It means choosing items from a menu individually, not as a set. Example, we ordered à la carte instead of the fixed menu. Number 7, au revoir. It means goodbye. See you later. Example, bye, see you next week. Au revoir. Number 8, voilà. It means there it is or that's it. Example, here's your document, voilà. Number 9, sais, charmant. It means that's charming, lovely, or very nice. Example, you brought flowers? C'est charmant. Number 10, je ne sais quoi. It means a special, hard-to-describe quality. Example, her outfit has a certain je ne sais quoi. Voila! Now you know how to sprinkle a little French into your English conversation. If you enjoyed this lesson, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir for now, and keep speaking with confidence.